Good day everyone out there, my name is Raphael Iquilo. I'm here to discuss MMM ideology, how it works, rules of MMM and benefits of MMM community. What is MMM? MMM is Mavrodi Media Movement. It is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. It is a peer-to-peer system where participants transfer donations directly to the accounts of other members. When such donations are made, system rewards called Mavros are assigned to participants and managers. MMM is not a bank, business, company nor an investment. It has no central account. Rather, participants send their donations directly to the recipient's accounts. MMM ideology. The main goal why the founder of MMM community, Saji Mavrodi, created this community is to fight unfair financial system of the world, where the rich becomes richer and the poor becomes poorer. It aims to liberate people from financial slavery placed by banks and government of the world, by so doing giving financial freedom to people. How MMM works. MMM is a community of people providing one another financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity and benevolence. Therefore, there are no lenders and debtors in MMM. It works by one participant asks for help, another one provides help. And to start participating in the activities of this community, you need to get registered and have your personal office PO. This is how a participant personal office looks. When you get registered and log into your account, you will see your office like this. In your office, they provide help. You can see here is where you will click and follow the instruction step there to make donation. While they get help, you can see on the other end here is where you will click to request for financial help after 1 month. On the personal office PO, the participant that wants to make donation will click on the provide help green area of his PO and follows the instruction step there to complete the donation he wants to make. Also on the personal office, the participant that requests financial help will click on the brown area of his PO that has get help boldly written and follows the instruction steps there to finish the get help request. The only thing that MMM demands from his participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You provide financial help today when you are able to do it, and you get financial help when you need it. When you make a donation in MMM, after 30 days, in other words after 1 month, when you ask for help, if you are a new participant, you will get your full donation, 30% growth of the donation and registration bonus. If you are not a new participant, you will get your full donation, 30% growth of the donation and referral bonuses if you get some people to join the community. Mavro. When a participant make a donation or provide help, the system rewards such participant with his own currency or index called Mavro, which is equivalent to the amount of money the participant pledged for donation. This Mavro starts growing right from the minute the participant pledged a donation, and the Mavro grows and add extra 30% of the donation made by the participant after 1 month. This extra 30% is not an interest, rather it is an index of the participant contribution to the community development. Registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20 if you have contributed from $50 to $499. 2. You get as registration bonus $50 if you have contributed from $500 to $2,999. Then the participant will get $100 if he contributed from $3,000 and above. So that is how the registration bonuses are hierarchical arranged. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all donations of the participants you invited. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to his development. NNM rules. These are the rules for self-participation in MMM. Rule number 1 states that donate only your spare money. 2. Do not create fake accounts for referral bonus. Do not have more than one account. Do not use wrong phone number or bank account. Always use your correct details. Do not upload fake proof of payment. All these are rules of NMM for self-participation. Benefits of NMM. Financial assistance for personal and family needs. Personal success through cooperation with others. Money donation through peer-to-peer exchange system. Trusting and equal relationship between all members of the community. Free online education. All these are what participants are bound to benefit when they join the community. Yeah, my brother and sister, thank you for listening to me. I will urge you out there to come and join this our great community that has been changing life. Come and join us, because together we change the world.